A blinking blue light on a Linksys Wi-Fi extender typically indicates that the device is starting up, a process that occurs automatically when the device is powering up and may last for about a minute. Once the booting process is complete, the blinking stops and the light becomes a solid blue. Alternatively, the blinking blue light may signify that the device is undergoing a firmware upgrade, a normal process that resolves on its own once the upgrade is complete. Another possible reason for the blinking is that WPS pairing is in progress, activated by pressing the WPS button. This process can also take up to a minute, after which the LED blinks orange. To complete the pairing, press the WPS button on the router, followed by the WPS button on the range extender. Within a 2-minute timeframe, a successful WPS connection is indicated by a solid blue light, while an unsuccessful attempt results in an orange blink. If the pairing is unsuccessful, the procedure can be repeated.